Guys, this is your boy Xitsonga Nature. Please subscribe to my channel, like, hit the bell icon so that you are alerted if we make a new upload. This time I want to talk about something necessary in the Xitsonga music. These days you can't talk about Mayengani, the president, without comparing him to Mr. Post, Mr. Power. Yeah, the two artists have been in loggerheads for a really long time now, because every artist meet his or her match. Someone you can say, yeah, that guy is my competitor, or she is my competitor. Someone you see as someone you see, or maybe someone, maybe even like you. Yeah, so those two go a long way back, since 2011, when Mayengani, the president, released his debut album, The Baben, and Mr. Post always tried to attempt singing like Mayengani, the president. So Mayengani saw the opportunity, because the guy Mayengani is actually Mr. Post's role model. So they started beefing each other from 2014 until 2021. The beef is still on, even though many people think that the beef between them is not healthy. But according to me, I think the beef is healthy, because it makes the two artists to bring out their best work, or brings out the best in them, because they are in competition. And I know Mayengani will say, I won't be defeated by Mr. Post, and Mr. Post will also say, I won't be defeated by Mayengani. So those two always go hand in hand, because they are rivalries and they are good matches for each other. And their beef brings them a lot of attention, but divides us as Xitsonga, because if my friend likes Mr. Post and I like Mayengani, I'm always gonna defend these two artists, which may result in us not being friends anymore. But the beef benefits them, so what can we say? Yeah, thank you guys. This is the end of the video. Sharp.